Welcome to my closet update. So let's get started. First, I purged, and I had a lot to purge, as well as my daughter Addison, and people gave us stuff, and we decided we didn't need some of it, and it's taking over my bedroom. So I highly recommend purging. It helps a lot. So I took everything out of my closet when we did a renovation of my bedroom, and we painted the trim, and I took most everything out of the closet there. And you can see what I have left. Basically, I have the shelf that you see and a one rod, and I had one hook. So first suggestion, add some closet rods. And so I did that by adding one crossing over, and this actually extends about 2 feet back around the corner. You can't really see that from the doorway, but it does. And then I added another one below. And so I've like tripled my storage opportunities. And so I definitely recommend adding a closet rod. You will need to add a 2x4 to the wall so you can have something to screw to and have stability there. I also have the shelf where I have those drawers up above, and they do help with storage, but I think I can make it a little more functional. Next step, I got myself a jewelry station. My shop, Created For You shop on Etsy, it's no longer operating right now, but I used to sell all sorts of jewelry organizers. So I went to work and came up with my own jewelry organizer station. If you haven't seen that video on how to make this, check it out. Next thing I did is I changed my hangers. Those plastic hangers is mainly what I had. I had a few of these suede hangers, but I got a lot more, and it made a huge difference. Highly recommend getting the ones with the tab like you see here. They're available at Dollar General, Walmart, on Amazon. They even have these here at Dollar Tree. But make sure you get ones with the tab so when you hang up your spaghetti strap shirt or whatever it may be, it doesn't fall off. And so I am going to work, and I am exchanging out all of those plastic hangers, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, I have most of them exchanged out, and it's made a huge difference. Check that out. All of my clothes used to fill the entire spot and more. In fact, it was really tight, and I had a hard time getting to things. So I did get rid of some things, but by changing the hangers, this made a huge difference. I moved my winter stuff to the back corner because I don't need it right now. But can you see the difference between the plastic hanger there and those suede ones? Far less room being taken up. In fact, like 2 suede hangers or more would equal 1 plastic hanger. So then I went to figure out how was I going to organize my shoes. So with the rod being there, my shoes are kind of in the way. So I scooted them over to the corner there, and that works for now because I don't use that entire double rod over there. But I would like to get this shoe organizer or possibly this turning one. I have a video on my channel for 8 storage solutions for your shoes. I may build one, haven't completely decided, but definitely need a shoe organizer. Now I'm going to add some storage. So I found some more of these plastic containers at a garage sale, even started updating them with some contact paper. Check out that video if you haven't. So I went to the store to get labels for these containers. Guess what? They didn't have any. So that is on my next to-do list. I think labels would be helpful. Otherwise, I feel like I'm gonna forget what's in there, and I probably won't use it, and it'll just sit there, and yeah. So, be pointless. So labels are a good thing, but I am so excited to have a more organized closet that I got rid of some stuff. I can't wait for the store to have more of these the suede hangers because they are quite the space saver. I'm excited to build my shoe shelf And so I'll let you know in another video how that turns out. So bye for now, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.